Shopify is showing your subscription price wrong, and it's probably hurting your conversions. So here's what's happening. Let's say you're selling a product for $20, and you have a bundle deal. Buy 3, get 50% off. And if the customer subscribes, they get an extra 10% off, so the total drops from $60 to $27. You set that up with an automatic discount. Customer subscribes, everything looks good on your end. But when they get to checkout, they see the initial charge is $27. But right below that, there's a line that says recurring subtotal, $54 every month, not $27. And that number freaks people out. And Shopify actually confirmed this is expected behavior. And unless you're on Shopify Plus, you can't change it. But here's the fix, and it actually works really well. Let me walk you through exactly how to set this up using Kaching bundles. First, go to your product in Shopify and create your variants. For a buy one for $20 option, create a variant called buy one. Set the price to $20. For the buy 3 for $30 option, here's where the math comes in. $30 divided by 3 units is $10 per unit. So you create a variant called buy 3, set the price to $10, and set the compare at price. Now go into Kaching bundles and assign each variant to its corresponding bundle option. So buy 1 maps to the single unit bundle. Buy 3 maps to the 3 unit bundle. Make sure to hide theme variant picker and deselect let customers choose different variants for each item so nothing breaks. Now, when a customer subscribes and gets to checkout, the recurring subtotal pulls directly from the variant price. And once you fix this, make sure to check out the next video where we cover the best ways to stop customers from canceling their subscriptions.